In recent research, scientists have uncovered a fascinating link between food antigens and the suppression of gut tumors, particularly in the small intestines. Led by Hiroshi Ohno at the RIKEN Center for Integrative Medical Sciences in Japan, this study reveals how proteins found in everyday foods like meat and milk can activate the intestinal immune system to prevent tumor growth. Food antigens often receive negative attention due to their association with allergic reactions to foods such as peanuts, shellfish, and milk. However, these antigens play a crucial role in our immune system. They are recognized as foreign objects that need to be examined by the immune system. Ohno and his team have previously shown that food antigens activate immune cells in the small intestines, unlike in the large intestines. This activation is significant because certain immune cells, when activated by gut bacteria, are known to suppress tumors in the gut. The new study explores whether food antigens can similarly suppress tumors in the small intestines. The research team conducted experiments using a special type of mouse with a mutation in a tumor suppression gene. This mutation is similar to the condition familial adenomatous polyposis in humans, where malfunctioning genes lead to tumor development in the intestines. The researchers fed these mice either normal food or antigen-free food. They observed that mice consuming normal food had fewer tumors in the small intestines compared to those on an antigen-free diet. To further test their hypothesis, the team introduced albumin, a common antigen found in meat, into the antigen-free diet. Remarkably, the presence of this antigen suppressed tumor growth in the small intestine, indicating that tumor suppression was linked to the presence of antigens rather than the nutritional content of the food. The study's findings highlight the critical role of food antigens in tumor suppression. Mice on an antigen-free diet exhibited significantly fewer T cells in their small intestines compared to those on a normal diet or an antigen-free diet supplemented with milk protein. This suggests that the presence of food antigens is essential for maintaining a robust immune response in the small intestines. The research also uncovered the biological processes that enable this immune activation, providing valuable insights into how food antigens contribute to tumor suppression. These findings were published in the scientific journal Frontiers in Immunology, underscoring their significance in the field of immunology and cancer research. The implications of this research extend to clinical practices, particularly concerning elemental diets. These diets, which consist of simple amino acids without proteins, are often used to manage severe gastrointestinal conditions like Crohn's disease or irritable bowel syndrome. However, the study suggests that such diets could pose risks for individuals with conditions like familial adenomatous polyposis, where the risk of small intestinal tumors is higher. Small intestinal tumors are much rarer than those in the colon, but the risk is higher in cases of familial adenomatous polyposis, said Hiroshi Ohno. Therefore, the use of elemental diets should be approached with caution and under medical supervision. In conclusion, the research led by Hiroshi Ohno and his team at the RIKEN Center for Integrative Medical Sciences sheds light on the protective role of food antigens against small intestinal tumors. By activating the immune system in the small intestines, these antigens help suppress tumor growth, offering potential new avenues for cancer prevention and treatment. The study emphasizes the importance of considering the presence of food antigens in dietary choices, particularly for individuals with specific genetic predispositions. As research in this area continues, it holds promise for developing targeted dietary interventions to support gut health and reduce cancer risk.